Okay guys, welcome back to my video here again. As you saw seen in yesterday's video, today's video, I have posted already a video before, like 10 minutes ago. It's still posting and like it's still uploading. It'll post and it'll get uploaded in like 25 minutes, 30 minutes. Okay, let's see. As I said, we have these all upgrading here. We have ton of dark elixir. We need to get this to max. When we get to 200k, then we'll keep these to upgrade and but I didn't keep when I had 5 builders available because of this event. Clan War League. Yeah, we have this Hog Heaven that I'm using my own new strategy. We have ton of them in my. I don't know. I was so close. If I had a book, I'm going to keep my king to level 25. The ability will increase. And yeah, how much it will increase? Let's see. Oh, 2 must summon units. Wow, everything is increased. Dude, health recovery is nice. Okay, but we I'm sorry, I just came by mistake. Yeah, let's see in the attack log. We have like ton of dark elixir farming here, but it's good. As down you go, we have like very good. We have like looted like 40,000 in like 5 days. Not 5 days. I mean, we have a rune of elixir that I'm gonna be using in Town Hall 7, 11. I'm gonna use it for the balloons to go to level 7. Or maybe the P.E.K.K.A. or Bell. Yeah, you say me what should I upgrade in Town Hall 11. And if you see my clan right here, yeah, I've just used this boost army. That's only one, as the event is going on, 1 gem army boost. I've boosted my troops, my spells, even my both heroes. Yeah, should we use our hero potion or a power potion? Because I don't use them mostly, so I have full. Let's use the hero potion for now, and let's get in with the video. As I'm gonna be farming everything. For the walls, we have left so much. Actually, my walls would complete by now if I have not kept upgradation or like everything. Okay, we're gonna get ourselves the lab going on very quickly every time. After 5 days, I should be ready to keep my giant to level 7, which will increase the hit points. So for a clan, yeah, and my builder base is 7. It's pretty good. I'm trying to get auto. Yeah, it's so hard. What is an upgrade? Yeah, it's a new firecracker. But yeah, just leave it. This is my new clan. I mean, like my old. It's a new clan because I made it 7 days ago. Yeah, as you can see, the warlock 5 days ago. 6 days ago. Yeah, 6 or 7 days ago. Like it. War just completed an hour ago, and this is my own clan. I have 14 accounts. 15 of my accounts. As Dragon Warrior is my account, and Abba is also my account. Means for some time. And let's should we start a new? Okay, we must be farming a little bit, but this is not about farming, it's about my base. And next video we are going to be farming on my Town Hall 7, which is somewhere right here. Yeah, this one. It's a Town Hall 6 going to 7, and it's Town Hall 6. It would okay, only a lab. Only the healing spell is going on. Rest all are maxed up. This is going to 7, and yeah, and there is one more Town Hall 7 I have, which is down, which is named Abhay. That's my friend's account. So I mean, like friend's name. It's a Town Hall 7. It's very pretty rushed, but he gave me as rushed, OP rushed. These were level 4. These were level. These were level 9. I kept it to 10. This he doesn't. He didn't have this. He didn't even have this. He have all the traps of level 1. I kept it to level 3 at Town Hall 6. No, Town Hall 7. And now I'm he have all the walls of level 4, so I kept it to 6 and now some are 7. It took me like 8 days of maximum grinding and attacking every single time. Okay, here I'm using mass hogs, level 1 hogs, it's new, because I just kept a day ago this dark barracks, and even this he didn't even keep anything in town when he came to town with 7. Yeah, let's get back, let's go back and okay, yeah, in town 11 we need let's talk about it when we maxed this base up, and we have the 5 builders because we pushed ourselves to the Champion League where we got 2000 gems and we got a 5th builder finally. But we need a 6th builder, that is the auto, but it's BH9 and BH7. I used 4 wall rings, 8 wall rings on my walls. These look super nice. But 3 million is too high, bro. If we can split the money like in the golden eggs, then have like 1.5 here, 1.5, just add it up, it will be nice. These are the new walls, 4 new wall segments. That's okay, that people I use it for trolling up people, so they're just insane. Every wall of 5, 6, only the new, except the new walls, rest all are only 5, 6 and 2 are 7. Let's if we go back here, let's start a freaking war right now. Start war. I'm the leader of this clan, so I made this clan like few days ago. First time I actually just out him up. Abhay is not there enough. Oh yeah, he's in one more clan war, but yeah. Let's keep this account, our account, that is only this account. Let's keep this account, is very nice. Should we keep our GD4? We make a GD7. I mean, like, we can make it a TH7 opposition. Yeah, it's gonna be easy. So GD4, GD5. We will not keep GD5, but we'll keep GD8. Shit, it's too hard, guys. No, it's too hard to even to select. Okay, let's get on with it. GD5, GD6, GD7, GD and GD7 and GD8. Yes, this is good. So we have like 3 attacks, so 5 bases, right? So this will attack first and second position. This will attack third and fourth position. This will attack the last position. So these GD7, GD8 are only for getting lower town. Also, I could get easy war stars like I did in my before war. As you can see the details here, it didn't go as I expected because I got a position of TH12. This is the TH11, as you can see. This is the TH11, but I did 68%. TH10 98%. That's the best I can do. Yeah, I lost it with an Inferno Tower and a Wizard Tower. Wow, these were so easy because with GD3, as I said, like the same current war, it will take like 5 hours, 6 hours for me usually, but the first war it took in like 1.5 hours. Yeah, we have so much. Mostly our traps and air defenses like these go to 6. That's crazy. These are new. I just kept it like 2 weeks ago. I wanted level 3 it actually. Yeah, we have already a level 13, 12. I want to keep it in. The turtle looks so cool for TH10, bro. Looks so cool. Even a Wizard Tower and a Motto and Expos. Yeah, this is cool, but that's a bit okay. Just or reddish. The bomb towers are okay. Tesla farm. Yeah, let's go into my main base. Tree, man. Tree, why do you do this to me? I like to beatbox, but I'm not like professional or something. I just don't know how to, but I'll just try my best to beatbox, but I don't know to properly. It's my new base. It's my secret. I'm gonna post it afterwards. I just want to keep the donation and all. Yeah. Should we do a live attack? Yeah, let's go for one live attack, and then we'll stop the video and end the video here. Yep, and I hope you like this video, guys. Please make sure you like, share and subscribe it, otherwise I would get sad. Okay, this is a good attack base we have got. There are no singles. Yeah, sure, we cannot snipe anything, right? Yeah, let's get in from that other side. It's less defensive because of this one less expo and one less air defense level. You just do this, do this. Okay, guys, and yes, we use the here portion. Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah, let's do this. Should we freeze it? Should we freeze it? Yeah, let's freeze it. It's getting us hell of damage. Oh my god, we are so close to dying, guys. Okay, let's just spam it in this range. I knew it will go but it's gonna come to my right side in the screen. Yeah, it came inside the base. If we had, these dragons. You come here, freaking dragons. Yeah, leave that. Can you snipe anything? Yeah, we can snipe this. Oh, that queen. I didn't see the queen. Oh, wow, I'm so dumb. We can easily snipe this and the lab. Need to should we take out a queen, but we cannot. Dude, I don't want a town hall. I just want to loot as quick as possible. Mostly the dark elixir, but we already got a dark, so this is good and enough. But the queen I always queen walk. If I do queen charge, it will go insanely wrong. I always lose it. Yeah, there's a queen here. There's a freaking queen. Let's destroy it by sacrificing a freaking king, guys. 3 shots are enough. 4 shots maybe. Yeah, 4. Shot it. Kaboom. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, dude, these barbarians look so cool. Yeah, and yeah, that's it. I boosted army. Hero boosted. Yes. Dude. It cannot be at Fisher because of their Tesla farm. X-bows, mortars. That's only one mortar. Sorry, one cannon and one cannon, one X-bow, and one archer turret can easily kill us if we cannot get inside. Actually, get it? Nah, yeah, we got it. Nice. We were getting with 6 trophies. We were going with 6 trophies. So, dude. Oh, what? We're in Crystal League 1, dude. I'm literally swearing to you. In these 27 attacks, I increased to 400 trophies. I increased 500 trophies in 27 attacks. That's insane. But mostly I used to restart. Yeah, let's train hog riders. Yeah, next we are gonna go for farming and make sure you follow my Instagram. That is Anshu_10801290 and. That is it for today, I guess. So yeah, and I increased my clan level because of the clan games. As you can sorry, my clan, yeah, it's level 2 right now, 134 because we won the 3rd war. Let's go, bro. Okay, I'm gonna be playing only 5v5 war because 10v10 war. It's not for me. It's not for me. Yeah, and 15v15 just leave about it. I never did 15v15 10v10 war when I took so much strain for playing that 10v10 war. Okay, if I get 100 subscribers, I'm going to do a 15v15 war with my 15 accounts. That is from GT1 to 12. That is GT1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And this Abhay account 12. That would be 13 accounts. 12, 13. And let's go with Dragon Warrior and Abhay 619. That is 12, 13, 14, 15 accounts. Yeah, we'll just take 2 of our friends' accounts. That's it for the war. If you just like my videos and everything else, wow, that's right. And that's it. And I have one more clan that this is mine, but I gave it to my friend Danush. Dude, he started a clan. He gave me leaderboard I asked him for some time. Dude, first time he ever came, that is February 2020. Dude, he was playing Feb, March and April. I'm gonna kill him, bro. April season. When this happened? The April season. We are going to start a clan war. Oh my god, they lost, man. They don't attack. That's it, dude. Yeet. Dude, yeet. Oh, yeet, dude. I faced him in my friend's clan. It was another clan. Okay guys, I hope you liked the video. This is for today, and make sure you do everything that you can just to subscribe me. Please make sure you say your friends to subscribe me. I'm just new to Clash of Clans, and I'm not new to Clash of Clans. I play it for like 5 years now. It's going to be 6 years in July 2nd. July 1st is my birthday, so yeah, and that's it. So actually I left COC for 4 years or 4 years. Yeah, that's it for today guys. This is the farming I have done till now, and it's pretty good for a town hall 10 and 9. It's okay, but I have pushed so many trophies, and like season just started. Like it's been like 2 to 3 days. The clan war leagues are gonna start. It's gonna be freaking insane, and that's it for today. And my this is gonna go max dark storage. Yeah, that's it. I have some medals. Nothing to upgrade. No builders, dude. You already have built the maximum of these. I have built everything in from this shop except for the new things that will come in higher tunnels. Okay guys, I want to max this under 100 days now. 100 days still max. Let's get it. Okay guys, peace out for now.